Hey Travis kiddos, we have done all of our first grade math curriculum for the year. So I think this is a good time to review some skills. So let's review a couple of them now. Let's start with time. I'm going to show you a time on the clock and let's see if you know it and can write it in digital form. This is an analog clock. So this one's the one I'm going to show you. You're going to write it in digital form. Start with the time on this clock here. So both hands are pointing to the 12. Remember, the hour hand is the red one, the shorter one. The blue hand is the minute hand, the longer one. So if they're both pointing to the 12, what time is it? It is 12 o'clock. And this is what it would look like digitally. So 12, 2 dots, and 0, 0. Okay, let's see if you can get the next one. What time is it now? Now it is 3 o'clock. How about this one? Do you know what time it is there? 8 o'clock. The hour hand is at the 8. The minute hand is up at the 12. So 0 minutes in that hour. How about this one? What time is it there? The hour hand is at the 11. The minute hand is at the 12. So it is 11 o'clock. So what if I didn't have the minute hand up at the 12? What if I put the minute hand down at the 6? Do you remember what happens then? When the minute hand is at the 6, it is 30 minutes past the hour. It's half past. So starting here, it goes halfway, and then the other half to get back to 12. The hour hand is between the 1 and the 2. It hasn't gotten to the 2 yet. So this time is 1:30. How about this time? Ooh, I'm going to make it tricky. Let's see, can you tell what time it is there? It's a tough one. So remember, the hour hand has not quite gotten to the 6 yet. It's halfway, but not quite there yet. So it is 5:30. The hour hand is between the 5 and the 6. It hasn't gotten to the 6 yet. And the minute hand is still down at the 6, half past 5 or 5:30. Let's do another one. What about this time? Do you know what time it is there? There it is half past 9 or 9:30. If you want to dabble in some quarter hours, you are welcome to do that. Quarter hour being a quarter past or 15 after, 12:15. Here we have 12:30 and 12:45, okay, quarter to. Or if you want to work on the 5 minutes, each time you get to one of the big numbers, you can work on that. First grade, we mostly focus on hour and half hour. So if you want to challenge yourself with more, you can. Or you can keep working on the hour and half hour. Let's also practice some doubles facts. Okay, so when we do doubles facts, we are adding the same number twice. So let's see if you remember some of these doubles facts. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 4 plus 4 is 8. So you can do those with your fingers. You can do 1 and 1, 2. You can do 2 plus 2. We can do our magic. 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 4 plus 4 is 8. So 5 plus 5 must be 10. Okay, now if you notice the numbers, if you've been practicing counting by twos, the numbers go up by twos because we're adding 1 here and 1 here. So adding 1 here from 1 to 2, adding 1 here from 1 to 2. So each time you're adding 2, 1 and 1. So each time the total goes up by 2. So if 5 plus 5 was 10, 6 plus 6 must be, go up to 12. 7 plus 7 is 14. 8 plus 8, 16. 9 plus 9, 18. And 10 plus 10, or 2 tens, is 20. So those are really good number sentences to practice and learn. Try to bank them in your brain so that they are readily available for when you are adding or subtracting. Maybe you start with the whole and take away one of the parts of the doubles fact. You can also use them for doubles plus 1, like 4 plus 5. So if we had 4 plus 5, that's almost a doubles fact. So if it was 4 plus 4, we would know it, right? 4 plus 4 is 8. Since 5 is 4 plus 1, we could say 4 plus 4 plus 1. So that would be 8 plus 1 more is going to be 9. So 4 plus 5 is 9. Once you get the hang of this, all of these extra steps fall away because you can do it all up here. Okay, the ultimate goal is to get it to be quick and mental math, some of it, or having some of those shortcuts, but showing all of the steps and all of the work helps you understand so that you can get to those shortcuts. Okay, have fun practicing all of that, and happy learning.